Craving a burst of fresh flavors? Stop buying store-bought salsa. Make your own mango salsa at home. First, grab a ripe mango, a red bell pepper, a red onion, and a handful of fresh cilantro. Dice them up real nice. Next, squeeze in the juice of one juicy lime. Add a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper. Mix everything together and voila! You've got yourself a colorful, zesty mango salsa. This salsa is perfect for tacos, chips, or even as a topping for fish and rice. It's fresh, it's vibrant, and it'll make your taste buds dance. So what are you waiting for? Whip up this easy mango salsa and bring a little sunshine to your table. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more delicious recipes. Happy snacking!
Let's change that with a delicious solution. Introducing Ayurvedic ice cream with blueberries. Plus, we've added brain-boosting herbs like chi energy powder and shroom mocha milk. To spice things up, we've included digestion-friendly spices like ginger, cinnamon, and cardamom. Making it is a breeze. Just blend frozen cauliflower, blueberries, protein powder, a healthy way to satisfy your sweet tooth and balance your dosha. Spring is the season of kapha, marked by earth and fire elements. Too many sweets can throw these elements off balance. But don't worry, our Ayurvedic ice cream is here to help.
This is why you need to try a berry granola smoothie bowl. Imagine waking up to a vibrant, berry-filled bowl that's as tasty as it is healthy. Today, we're making a berry granola smoothie bowl that's super easy and perfect for those on-the-go mornings. First, grab your favorite berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, you name it. Toss them into a blender with a couple of spoonfuls of yogurt for creaminess, and a splash of your preferred milk. Blend it all until smooth and dreamy. Now pour that luscious smoothie into a bowl. Here comes the fun part. Toppings. Sprinkle on some crunchy granola, a handful of nuts, and maybe a few fresh fruit slices. Not only does this bowl look Instagram-worthy, but it's also packed with fiber and antioxidants, keeping you full and energized. Perfect for breakfast or a post-workout snack, this smoothie bowl is a game changer. So next time you're in a rush but want something healthy, whip up this berry granola smoothie bowl. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Make sure to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.